Welcome. In front of me I have the HAYLOU. I no clue how to pronounce this brand. It's such an odd one. But this is the Solar Pro watch, and I'll go over unboxing along just a quick spec look of the watch itself. So anyway, let's pop it straight open. Right inside we have the watch. Oh crap, this is like... Is this a watch or is that a prop? What is this? It has no weight. Anyway, hopefully... Well, it's not a prop. It boots up. Hello. That was quick. There is no button on the side. Why are you pointing to the side? I don't know if I should feel stupid or not for how dumb this icon there was to go to the next page. Holy crap. Anyway, let's see what else we got in the box. Got our charging cable. This is a very similar, or actually identical to what Xiaomi has with their bands. I think it was Xiaomi. So yeah, just drop that back in here. The watch itself has a surprisingly an AMOLED display, which obviously will mean that the color, brightness, saturation, and contrast ratios will be pretty good on this watch. It also comes with a 300 mAh battery, a battery life of up to 7 days, turn on heart rate monitor for 24 hours, though that's kind of how they counting the 7-day battery life. We have a water resistant grade at 2 atmospheres. 2 atmospheres is basically 20 meters. We have sync data platform. We'll be using the HAYLOU watch app. Over 100 modes, workout modes. Screen resolution right here of this 1.43 inch AMOLED is a 466 by 466, and strap width is 22 millimeters. Dimension are 52, 49 by 12 millimeters, and the weight of this is only 45 grams. Like I said, it's a light watch. So there we go. I'm not really gonna go into the apps and how this, performs and stuff like that. Their website is looking not the greatest, I will be honest, looking at it right here on the screen. The image of the watch itself is distorted, so it's like stretched out. It's like wide for no reason. So great start. And right off the bat you have a sale with limited count, which just gives me the absolute disgusting drop shipping vibes, even though this is a thing owned by Xiaomi. So why go with these kind of weird, crappy practices? It's beyond me. So anyway, that's basically everything. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.